Hello there. So, Stamp Market had a sale and I couldn't resist. So I have another unboxing to share with you. I ordered this a little bit ago actually, and I'm just now getting around to unboxing it. It felt like it took forever to get here, but it was really probably only like 2 weeks. So yeah, let's dig inside and I will let you see what I have grabbed. So upcoming videos, let me get my packing slip out of there with my info on it. Okay, so I got a bunch of these dots, and because they're on sale, it makes me think that it's probably either getting new packaging or they're going away. So I made sure to grab one of each, and I think I ended up getting one of every one except their collection #1, which I did already have some for, so that was not a big deal. But I wanted to grab these while I could. I can't imagine that they're going to completely get rid of them, but I guess we will see in the coming days. I also picked up this stamp. Now, it ran out in 2024, but when I was looking at it, I had the idea of like you could die cut out a 25, 26 going however long, like this could last me the rest of my lifetime if I wanted to just add things. And you could also just write it in too if you have nice handwriting. And then I thought it would be really cool. This is all one stamp together, like one block, but you could mask off whichever month you're gonna be using this for, and then have either highlight that with some ink, or you could tape it off and then stamp it in a different color. I thought that would be really fun. These, oh my gosh, I saw these and I was like, oh, mine right away. And I think I got it for like $5, which is just honestly wild. So it's a stack of hexagon dies, and I think this is gonna make for some really fun geometric cards with just some really simple sentiments on them. Really looking forward to doing sort of some rainbow colorway looks with this. I then grabbed the Kindness is Beauty stamp set with this really beautiful flower. I thought this would be so pretty to watercolor and get some really nice colors on the leaves and really work on that bloom there. And then of course the sentiment, you are wonderful, thanks so much for all you do. That's going to be great for so many different cards. I was also lucky enough to get the matching die set for it, so it can cut it out, and it will also cut out the sentiments as well. So great to add to the stash. Some leaves, and literally that is the name of it, some leaves to die cut out. I thought these would be really pretty to do a little ink blending on, and of course they'll go with all the flower sets and things that we have. This reads, I miss you, and it cuts out all of the letters as well as the shadow to go behind the letters. So easy, simple, quick card. Just cut that out, pop it right on top. It's the perfect size. And then I also grabbed these sentiments, which are, let's see, loving thoughts. And I love how bold these are. This one is my favorite, the "God, you're amazing." I think that's so cool. But they're all really great. Have a good day. I love that some of them, like just high period. I think that's so funny to me, just like with the period at the end of it. So I know I will get a lot of use out of this set. I then also, and I still haven't done a video with it because I'm just so far behind in everything, but I got the set that makes the strawberry basket, which was from last summer, I think. And this is the large strawberry. So you'll cut this out, put it together, and it makes a strawberry that will actually fit in the basket. You have to make, a bunch of them. But they had a small and a large, and at the time I didn't grab them because I do have a Cricut cut that I can use to make strawberries. But again, this was down to like $5, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna grab it because I know it's gonna work really well and it's gonna be super cute. So adding it to my stash. And then this is probably what I was the most excited about. So I wanted this collection so badly when it came out, but I could not spend the money on it. So this makes a cloud that you can put your sentiment on, and then a rainbow that sort of folds out from behind it. And you actually put several of these together, as many as you want, and then they'll crease and it kind of folds out to make this fan rainbow in between these clouds, and it is so pretty, and I'm really excited about putting this together. It's going to be perfect for like spring and, you know, sort of coming up, so I will probably be working with this one pretty soon. But so cute. I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like together. I was over the moon that they still had some of this in stock. Okay, and then I did get something from the newest collection. I had wanted this when the card kit came out and it was sold out by the time I got to it. Thankfully they restocked it, so I was able to grab it this time. This is the So Chic Alpha Upper letters, and it is, you've got one of every letter of the alphabet, and I think this is going to be so pretty just for the simplest of cards. Even if you just want to make someone a gift of a set of cards with their initial on it, you can just cut this out of either your glitter paper or a solid favorite color that they like. Put that right on top of a white card base and you're set with this really chic, pretty set of note cards. So when I saw these, I love the font of it, and I thought, I'm gonna splurge and I'm gonna get these because it's just a great stash builder. They are about 2 inches each, so it's a solid statement to put on top of just a really simple card. You could even add a little bow. I'm looking forward to playing with these too and coming up with just some really sweet, simple ideas to use them for. Okay, that's the end of the dies, and then I've been needing to order more diamond glitter paper, so I made sure to grab some in this order. I fully stocked up on both the diamond, and then I had never purchased their gold before, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna grab some of the gold. I love the diamonds. I'm sure I'm gonna love the gold, so filling up my stash of this. And then another new item, for me anyways, were the foiled card phrases. So I grabbed 3 of these. They are a gold foil on top of sort of a cream white background, and they have all different sentiments, but these are so nice for just, again, sweet, simple cards. You want to get something out in the mail, maybe you don't feel like stamping or you don't quite have the perfect stamp that you're looking for, you can grab one of these and pop it right on top. I love this one, especially the paper hugs, but anywhere from thinking of you to here for you friend, happy day, happy vibes, sending a note of thanks, really covering lots of different things with these. And of course I grabbed 3 because if I use one and then want another, if I have extra, I have a less fear of using something and not having it again later when I need it. I'm so silly with stuff like that, I know. So yeah, that's what I grabbed. I hope you guys were able to get some stuff from the sale as well, because I know everything is gone now, which is also awesome because it's going to make room for lots of great new goodies that they're going to come out with. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will be back again soon with more videos.